What's your name?
My name is Florangela. My name is Florangela.
How do you spell your family name?
My family name is Ortiz. Ortiz.
Where are you from?
I am from Colombia, Neighborville.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
I am studying at the moment.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
I am interested to learn about the foods to all the countries.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I enjoy so much to go to the rivers and swim and listen to music. Just all. Just do. Just do. Yes. Pucha, esa la hice mal.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I enjoy spend in my free time. I want go. I like so much to go to the rivers and traveling.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
I listen to music in English and I sing it to this and some re- just this.
What's the best way for you to improve your English? If you could learn a new skill, what would it be? If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
That be to sing in English, I think.